Hello everyone, welcome back to Divya Decor. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. So let's get started. In this video, I'm using my old racket and wool to decorate it. I'm cutting the small pieces of the wool. I'm going to use 3/4 colors of the wool and I'm going to cover the racket with this wool. As you can see, I'm using 2-3 colors. I have taken small pieces of the wool for this purpose only because I have to roll. I'm not following any particular color pattern. Just randomly I am using the 4 colors. Upper part of the racket is being covered. Now we are going to cover the stick. Once we cover the whole racket with the wool, now we are going to take the 3 different colors of the wool and 3 strips each and we'll make a plates. We are making these plates for hanging purpose. We are going to make the flower from this wool. I have made such 2 different colors of flower and 2 different size. I am going to stick over it and a small diamond in the middle of the flower. Now going to stick this plate wool from back side. I have made these hangings of wool, which I am going to make a separate video for this. This also I am going to stick from back side for a proper finishing. Now I am sticking this for the hanging purpose. I have stick the sport related pegs on the racket and have attached the clips on the racket net to hang the pegs. I have hanged the medals too. Hope you like my idea. If you like my video, please do share it. Thanks for watching.